Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to share a quick story about something that happened to a friend of mine just last week. He was getting ready to head to work on a chilly morning, but his car wouldn't start. The engine cranked, but it just wouldn't catch. After a few tries, the check engine light came on and he had to grab his OBD2 scanner. That's when he saw the code P0683. Let me walk you through what that means and how he got his car back on the road. The P0683 code stands for Glow Plug Control Module to PCM Communication Circuit, and it's specific to diesel cars. Essentially, this code indicates that there's a problem in the communication between your car's glow plug control module and the powertrain control module, or PCM. This usually happens in cold weather when the glow plugs are crucial for getting your engine started. So, here's what we did. First, we checked the glow plugs themselves to see if they were getting the right voltage. We also inspected the wiring and connectors around the glow plug control module. The P0683 code can pop up for a few reasons. A faulty glow plug relay, bad wiring, or even an issue with the PCM. If you've seen this code, you know it can cause a real headache, especially on cold mornings. The engine might struggle to start or might not start at all. In my friend's case, the problem turned out to be a loose connector on the glow plug control module, which was disrupting the communication. We tightened the loose connector, checked the glow plug relay, and made sure the wiring was in good shape. After that, we cleared the code using the OBD2 scanner, and just like that, his car started up without any issues. No more check engine light, and the car ran smoothly. Thanks to a little bit of troubleshooting, my friend's car is back on the road. If you ever run into a P0683 code, start by checking the basics: the glow plugs, the relay, and the wiring. Sometimes it's as simple as tightening a loose connection. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips and stories. Thanks for watching.